Cheese Club.
Student Council,
Speech and debate,
I'm on the basketball team.
Black Culture Club, Book Club, Major Rec Teams, Key Players, our theater club,
National Honor Society.
K-pop Dance Club,
Plastic Civilization,
Financial literacy,
AP Psych,
existential literature research, digital storytelling,
Shakespeare research class,
dual enrollment mass communications.
I've never seen so many teachers with PhDs. They really know their stuff.
If you are looking for some lifelong friends, then Franklin is the place.
Franklin has great school spirit.
At Franklin, you can find your home.